Reproof and restore Gore Tex jackets, bibs, ski pants, gloves, drysuits and waders. Add water repellency to nylon tent flies, down jackets, and backpacks. Apply Durable Water Repellent Spray for all-season protection from water, oil, and stains. 1 16.9 ounces spray can treat 4 to 6 jackets. Maximize breathability and enhance performance of all types of waterproof breathable fabrics, also available in 10.5 fluid ounces bottle. Use the trigger sprayer to easily disperse every drop of the PFOA, PFOS and silicone-free formula. For best performance, wash first with Revivex Pro Cleaner before applying DWR Spray. Packaging may vary. Top reviews from the United States. Keeps your Gore Tex garments dry during a snow blizzard heavy rain. As a PSIA Level 3 ski instructor coach, I regularly rely upon GearAid Revivex Durable Water Repellent, DWR, spray for reproofing my Gore Tex skin jackets and pants as coach's bibs. I regularly wash and treat and retreat my Gore Tex ski clothing annually with the chief aim of staying bone dry during uninviting and inviting weather, snow and powder days, on any one or more of the 60-plus days on the hill. So, if you are looking to stay bone dry during rain and snowstorms, just reach for GearAid products because they will shelter you from rain, hail and snow even if you get spattered with snow guns or after you accidentally fall crash on the hill while shussing on your skis or riding your board. Stay dry, keep having fun while shussing and riding regardless of the weather conditions.